Okay then. So how about this one? Virtue. Are you able to see this on your devices? Yung virtue?
Yes, sir. Nakikita naman.
Okay, good. Ang idea ng virtue ay nag-uugat daw, sabi ni Socrates, sa excellence in the soul. Now, I derived this from the discussion in Plato's Republic and elsewhere, no, ng kanilang idea na ang soul daw ay may tatlong bahagi. Merong upper and lower parts. Kasama doon sa upper part yung reason or yung rational capacity ng tao. And then the lower parts of the soul are the will and the appetites. Siguro pwedeng mong sabihin na ang soul ay iisa lang in that sense. Pero meron siyang tatlong functions. My teacher in philosophy used to use the term functions to refer to reason, will, and appetites. Okay, kailangan daw maging excellent yung soul in a way that yung rational capacity daw, siya daw ang magdidictate o magmamaster or magkocontrol ng will and the appetites para maging excellent yung soul. So to achieve mastery of the soul and krateia, no, or the care for the self, yung sinasabi nila, no, epimileo huto, basically, that kind of mindset is when, according to Plato and Socrates, isa lang yung boses nila at this time, no, that reason is able to temper or to master the will and the appetites. Okay, ano itong tatlong ito? Will sometimes refers to passions and appetites, desires. Yung reason is the highest part of the soul, which is associated with the mind, wherein it takes place proper judgment, right conduct, and right belief. And also to understand what is true from false, yung ganyan, no? May connection daw siya doon sa will na passions. The passions, the way I understand it, has to do with the spirited element wherein a person is able to to like desire for achievement, no, yung desire justice or a good name, yung mga ganyan, no, at kung minsan sumusobra din yun at nagre-result sa kayabangan kung hindi na temper ng reason. What about the appetites? Yung appetites, yung pinakasimple dyan, yung appetites or desires has to do with hunger, thirst, and sexual drive. So kailangan daw yung will and the appetites maging mag-serve sila under reason. It shouldn't be the other way around. Kasi kung yung will mo ang magse-serve, ang reason mo is maging under siya ng will, no? Anong mangyayari, no? It will result to imbalance in the soul, which is probably yung pride, no? Or yung kayabangan. What about the appetites? Pwedeng mixture, no? Sa ating mga politiko, halimbawa, no, how many of them have read Plato? Para sabihin na yung appetites mo, hindi pwedeng siya yung magmaster ng soul. What happens if either your will or the appetites or both will master the soul? So magkakaroon ka ng yung greed has a middle name, eh. 'Di ba? Yung avarice. It has also a last name, which is popular Christian notion ng covetousness. To have the lion's share all the time. Yung parang yung greed na, alam niyo ba yung uri ng greed na avaricious, yung walang bottomless na kasakiman. Alam niyo ba yun? Marami sa mga tao ngayon ay ganun, no? Pwede kasing mangyari yun kapag inallow mo na yung appetites mo yung mag-rule instead na yung reason. So, meron din mga cardinal virtues yan. Tawag nila dyan, mga cardinal virtues nung time na ni St. Augustine. Pero these are simply virtues daw that have something to do with the logos, no? Pero pag ang reason daw ay yung inalagaan, kinultivate, wala namang over-intelligent kasi lahat naman tayo learner, di ba? All the time. So cultivate yung reason will result to wisdom. If reason is able to master the will, then that's called courage. And reason ruling the appetites, that's called temperance. And only if you have all the three virtues, wisdom, courage, and temperance, can you have what he calls justice in the soul. Notice also that this justice has something to do with society in general. Kasi a good craftsman who is just, who is able to temper his will and the appetites using reason is the one who is able to guard his soul correctly to the extent that he will become a good craftsman. I-discuss natin later on yung craftsman sa konteksto ng Plato's Republic, Book 1, which I will be assigning for you to read. Okay, so good craftsman has something to do with ano yung what are you supposed to be doing? Like a doctor should heal the sick, a politician should serve the general public, yung ganyan, no? If you are doing if you are turning your craft into a negosyo, which is wala namang masama doon sa justified na wages, pero pag ginawa mo ng negosyo na based on avarice, no, and greed, ay hindi na maganda. Hindi ka pwede maging good leader in that sense. So kailangan master mo yung soul para maging good craftsman ka ng republic. Sometimes the virtues are analogous to the three basic types of people, at mas payak pa naman kasi doon ng hierarchy sa lipunan. So meron kang wisdom, courage, and temperance. There is a suggestion of natural harmony in the republic. They cultivate all this well. Okay, any question? I'll go quickly to the ideas din ni Aristotle konti, no? Kay Aristotle, meron ding tatlong parts yung soul. Or should I say the three forms of soul in accordance to what kind of organism is existing. A human being has all the three parts: vegetative, sensitive, and rational. Plants will only have vegetative. Animals will have sensitive and vegetative, while human beings have vegetative, sensitive, and rational. Yung vegetative, ito yung vegetative, ito yung idea ng you're a living being who can grow, reproduce, and respond to your environment. Sensitive soul refers to the idea that an organism is able to feel pleasure and pain. Okay? Pero yung rational soul is a thinking being, no? So human beings are live animal beings. They're also sensitive. They can feel pleasure and pain, and they are also rational beings. At yun ang pagkakaiba natin sa lower beasts. Reason, yung kanyang definition niyan ay hindi naman malayo kay Socrates and Plato. May dalawang uri ng virtue according to Aristotle, intellectual virtue and moral virtue. Yung moral virtue yung tinututukan ng ethics. Kasi yung intellectual virtue are acquired. No, it's taught, like you can just expand your knowledge concerning logic and mathematics, which is taught by teachers. Ang dapat pag-usapan sa ethics ng mas masinsinan ay yung moral virtue daw. These are not virtues that are acquired in terms of teaching and learning. These are learned, but these are learned by practice and repetition. So yung practical ethics, kumbaga, no, it is through practice and doing that you become a moral person. At para ma-practice mo daw yun, tinuturuan ka ng philosophy ng mga techniques daw that will be techniques concerning the self that will be applied to oneself in order to be able to become defined and as an individual who is ethical somehow, no? At this is a learning process because this is a lifelong activity. Halimbawa, yung principle of the mean. Hindi lahat ng bagay ay may mean, no? Kasi hindi naman tayo parehas ng amount na kinakain ng mga sumo wrestler, for example. Kasi yung mean ng sumo wrestler, kung kakain siya ng 20 piraso ng itlog, ikaw makakain ka lang ng 5 pieces of itlog. Busog ka na, no? Siya, mga 20, mga ganyan, no? So hindi yan applicable sa pagkain at inumin at mga bagay na yan. Applicable yan sa mga ganitong uri ng states ng behavior or sphere of feelings or actions or states of behavior. Halimbawa, may tamang mean. Yung mean kasi yung nasa gitna, di ba? Sa mga BS Math. Alam niyo kung ano yung mean. Ito yung nasa gitna. Yung mean principle. Ano yung moderation na kalagitnaan ng rashness and cowardice, courage daw yun. Proper ambition, pwedeng super ambitious na unrealistic, pwede rin namang super lack of ambition. So ano-ano yung mga ito? Kailangan daw yung principle na i-apply mo sa sarili mo sa mga ganitong behavior ay nasa mean siya at iiwasan mo yung excess or deficiency. Halimbawa, may tamang ambition lang, may tamang pride lang as opposed to ano ba yung over pride, kayabangan or timidity. So the right amount of belief in the self or high-spiritedness as opposed to not believing in oneself or as opposed to being too mayabang. Not unrealistic na yung pagiging mayabang. So ganun, no? So iwasan yung excess, iwasan yung deficiency, magstay sa mean. Isa 'yon sa mga tinuturo ng Nicomachean Ethics ni Aristotle. Isang paraan 'yan para ma-achieve daw yung moral virtue. Okay? Meron pang mga ibang mga kaparaanan at sinulat ko rin sa thesis ko dati 'yan nung sa masters, no? At isa diyan ay yung principle ng timeliness or kairos. Halimbawa, may mga certain pleasures that you cannot indulge in when you are overly young or hindi ka rin pwedeng mag-indulge nun pag if you're overly advanced in your age. At yung concept kasi ng timing, merong tamang timing lahat ng bagay katulad ng mating in animals daw, in the elephants, in the elephant world pa nga, merong season na kung saan they mate and then they according to nature, natural yung process eh. Ibig sabihin na merong tamang timing sa lahat. Hindi pwedeng it's too early or too late. Okay? Even in the behavior of animals, meron ng ganyan eh. Para maintindihan pa natin ng mas siguro, mas malalim, yung timing na yan is not timing in the sense ng punctuality. Hindi ito punctuality na let's meet at 12 o'clock, yung ganun, hindi ganun. It has something to do with kairos at hindi chronos. Okay, chronos yung time na parang punctuality eh. Pero yung kairos has something to do with the opportune time. Meron din yan sa Bible eh, yung idea na in God's time. Your prayer will be answered in God's time. Yung siguro yung naririnig ninyo most of the time, no? Pero nanggaling yan doon sa idea na kairos na opportune time. There's a time for everything, a time for war, a time for peace, a time for celebration, at a time for war, yung ganyan, no? Meron lahat, so meron ding doon. So may wisdom din doon. So tamang timing lang sa lahat ng bagay. Hindi lang yung tamang quantity pagdating sa states of behavior. Pwede rin naman yung doctrine of the mean doon sa ng pagkain pero magkakaiba nga lang tayo ng mean, movable siya. Whereas pagka pinag-usapan natin yung mga states of behavior, hindi pwedeng magkakaiba tayo ng mean. Dapat may uniformity. Okay? At doon din sa tamang timing or timeliness, may uniformity din. Do you have any questions concerning this? I will stop my sharing momentarily and stop my recording also. So